Hi, I'm here from Classic Accessories to talk to you about one of my favorite pontoon boats, the Colorado XT. This pontoon boat has 9-foot pontoons for extra stability in the water. New and improved spring-loaded valves are easy to operate and can accommodate a wide range of pumps. The storage platform is spacious and large enough to accommodate an electric motor mount that can handle up to 30 pounds of thrust. The included storage bag keeps gear dry and protected from the elements. The stripping basket is removable so that you may mount it on your lap or on the side. The rod holder can be mounted in up to 6 different positions. 2 front-mounted foam fly patches accommodate both left and right-handed fishermen. The seat and footrest mounts are adjustable, accommodating a wide range of leg lengths. Further, the oar locks can be placed in 3 different positions, letting you find your perfect zone. This boat can accommodate up to 400 pounds of gear and passenger combined, and will still keep all but your feet out of the water at the maximum weight. At 77 pounds, the boat can be handled by most, but to make things easier, there's a transport wheel located beneath the seat, letting you move it around much like a wheelbarrow. Last but not least, this boat comes with a 2-year guarantee backed by the manufacturer. All parts are sold individually, meaning replacement of individual components is easy and hassle-free, with no return shipping obligations. If you bust a valve, bladder, or oar lock within this period, we'll send you a replacement with no questions asked. Even better, after this warranty period expires, all replacement parts are available at very reasonable prices. For example, to replace a bladder will only run you $30 plus shipping. As you can see, this boat will transform your fishing experience and take you from the sidelines into the heat of the action. Don't let the big one get away. Give it all you've got with the Colorado XT.
Okay, we're here today on April 6th. Richard to launch for the first time his Colorado XT pontoon boat. This one-man little fishing vessel. He's spent quite a bit of time on this.
It floats.
Yes, the floating is a good thing. The beeping noise you hear is the fish finder he added to it. It does not come with that. That's an additional thing. And he also added the trolling motor. It actually comes with paddles.
Oh, shit.
So, I guess you don't want your fishing pole?
Not yet.
Okay. It's still floating, so that's good.
Yeah, the fish finder's already underwater. There's the 5-inch mark. It's fine. It's pretty steep down the ground.
45-pound thrust trolling motor. And off he goes. Do have the option to use the oars, should you want. so he's going to give that a try.
Okay. About to wind this out. I'm going to let Victoria take a little test drive and see what she thinks. Feels like it's safe enough. Definitely got plenty of power. A little awkward on this motor. I may have to rethink the remote steering possibilities.
Voila. Are you happy?
Yeah, I think it's working great. It'll be fine. Feels good to cast out of it. Okay.
So, Colorado XT was worth your investment there, Richard?
I guess so.
Happy
So far, no, we just get some pictures.
Yeah, that always seems to be the issue, doesn't it? Okay.